Today in our physics chapter gravitation, now to see one multiple choice question. The multiple choice question is based on the formula of gravitational force and centripetal force. The multiple choice question is like this series, just you can see here. A spaceship orbits around a planet at a height of 20 km from its surface. Assume that only gravitational field of the planet acts on the spaceship. What will be the number of complete revolution made by spaceship in 24 hours around the planet? Mass of the planet is 8 into 10 power 22 kg and radius of the planet is 2 into 10 power 6 meter and capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. There are 4 options are given here: A 9, B 11, C 13 and D 17. Now you can see here, suppose this is a planet and here spaceship here, distance of 20 km, and from the surface of the planet, suppose this is planet, and from the center, you can see from the center the distance is, that is we can say that this is R, capital R, this is H, therefore R is equal to, that is 2 into 10 power 6 plus this 20 km means 0.02 into 10 power 6. Simplifying, you can get here 2.02 into 10 power 6 meter. Now here the mass of the planet is capital M, that is also given, and mass of the spaceship is small m. Now gravitational force is equal to centripetal force. Therefore G m small m upon R square is equal to m v square upon R. This R will be cancelled, small m will be cancelled, therefore V is equal to this under root G capital M upon small m. This is equation number 1. Now we obtain that here V is equal to under root G capital M upon small r. Now capital G is given, that is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square, and R is also given, that is R is equal to 2.02 into 10 power 6 meter, and mass of the planet, that is there 8 into 10 power 22 kg. Now keeping this value there, we will get here V is equal to under root G 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into M 8 into 10 power 22 divided by R, that is 2.02 into 10 power 6. Simplifying, you will get here 1.625 into 10 power 3 meter per second. We also know that the time period of the revolution T is equal to 2 by R upon V. Suppose here the planet execute n number of revolution, therefore n into in 24 hours means 24 into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So we get here n is equal to 24 into 3600 divided by T is equal to 24 into 3600 divided by T is 2 pi R upon V. Now simplifying, we will get here, we will simplify, therefore n is equal to 24 into 3600 into P divided by 2 pi r is equal to 24 into 3600 into v, that is 1.625 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 2 into pi is 3.14 into r, that is already we know that 2.02 into 10 to the power 6. Simplifying it get here, simplifying will get here is equal to 11. So correct option of this multiple choice question is B, that is here. So this is to understand this multiple choice question. In this multiple choice question, the spaceship is orbiting around the planet at a height of 20 km from its surface. Here the following forces are acting on it. First is gravitational force, that is F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, and similarly centripetal force mv square upon r. Here both the forces are equilibrium, so finally we can get here G capital M small m upon r square is equal to mv square upon r. Simplifying and making the formula V is equal to m2 capital G capital M upon small r, keeping all these values, and finally we can get here V is equal to 1.625 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second. Now here we know that the time for the revolution capital T is equal to 2 pi r upon v. Here suppose spaceship or orbit that is revolve around the planet. If the number of revolution small n into capital T is equal to 24 hours is equal to 24 into 3600 in second. Therefore, n is equal to 24 into 3600 upon capital T, keeping the value at capital T is equal to 2 pi r upon v. And finally we can get here n is equal to 24 into 3600 into v upon 2 pi r, keeping the value of v, r and pi, and simplifying it to get here n is equal to 11. So here the spaceship execute 11 revolutions. So this will understand this multiple choice question. Thank you very much.